Okay, y'all. I'm up here at the transmission shop. Man, this guy's a joke, man. Okay, when he had my trans, they put the trans in. They never filled the trans with transmission fluid. He telling me that I was supposed to do that. I paid you to do that. You the transmission shop, right? So he trying to say it's not his fault. So basically what happened is the clutch is burned up in it because the transmission shop didn't fill the trans with oil, with transmission fluid. So that's why the transmission burnt up. So he trying to say it wasn't his fault. How is it not your fault? You supposed to fill the trans up with trans fluid. So I'm saying, so what you saying? Oh, I could tell you to get your car and get the hell out of here. I'll sue you in court then. So he's telling me, oh, well, I'm going to fix it for free. Okay, then what we talking about then? Basically, he want me to tell him that it wasn't his fault. No, it was your motherfucking fault. You the trans shop. You supposed to have it filled with oil before it left. So, but anyway, he made a big fuss about it, but you still gonna fix it. Okay, now he gonna fix it. It's a warranty on it. So, I'll give y'all an update about, well, you know what I'm saying, or whatever, man. This shop, man, I swear.
Banks on the track.
That's why they still hiring, man. Dude ass, man. He running his own workers off. Yeah, fix my shit, else I'm taking you to court. I done gave this man about over $5,000, man. Shit, for that rear end and all of that. Don't deal with these people, man. For real. I'm gonna get my trans. I'm gonna have it. It's gonna be fixed, and I won't even come back to him, man. I'm gonna take a class. You know what I'm saying? Take this transmission class in school, and I won't even need them no more for nothing. I warranty my own shit. I'm on my way back to work, man. And I'm out, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I pick that trans up. And we getting that 6.0 back together. And another summer, man, gone, man. I swear it's gonna take me like 2 or 3 summers just to get this car the way I want it. So yeah, he trying to blame it on everybody but himself. You know what I'm saying? How the fuck you gonna say it ain't your fault? You didn't fill the trans up with transmission fluid. The fuck? You the transmission shop. It's crazy, man. He trying to say it's my fault. He wanted me to fill the trans up. Nah, that's what I paid you for. To make sure that motherfucker filled up. I bought the transmission fluid from you. You got it on the receipt. So if he want to play games, we'll go to court. I'm out, y'all. Peace.